RNAZ stock analysis, should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses in 5 years of my time, finally figured out what's making me money and what's not. In this instance, with Transcode, all I'm looking is a 12% correction, 13% almost. And that's just today, right? Friday's performance. Generally looking at this, we're still inside the supply zone. Now look, I've made 40,000 videos on this YouTube channel, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And genuinely just looking at RNAZ, all I'll have to say, the only thing that will make my idea, bounce break is if I see full candle close on the daily chart above, 66 cents. Now we can argue that this has already broken structure. Honestly, with the wick that I have, I'm still not going to count this as structural breaks. Still very open-minded for the even sell side as long as there's that double break. I mean, other than that, me selling is just never going to be an option. Again, that's just my 2 cents. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.